So let's breathe into that gift on behalf of ourselves, our community, and all sentient beings. Let's take that into a time of meditation. Just allowing the body and the mind to relax, to be calm, to soak in what is here for us today. Breathe into what you know is here for you today. We ask that we be transformed on a cellular level, that from center to circumference, we are illumined, that any attachments of the mind or the emotional patterns that lead us into that which no longer serves our being are gently and gracefully released. Sweet Spirit, sweet source of life, I trust now that there is enough, that I am enough, that it is enough for me to be so present in the present moment, that I no longer have to miss it, that I no longer have to wake up and see that I wasn't there, that it was right in front of my eyes, but I wasn't looking, that it was given to me, but I didn't unwrap it. I'm here now. I'm listening. I'm willing. I am grateful. For all the moments that came before this moment, when I didn't see or I wasn't present, I wasn't right here, right now. I enter into the spirit of forgiveness and forgiving. May the Holy Spirit of life, love, and wisdom harmonize that past in my mind so that I may receive it as the gift that is my strength and my reminder in this now moment. On behalf of this life I live and all other sentient beings, I make a commitment to awakening, a commitment to myself, to life itself, that to the best of my ability, I am present in the here and now. For this gift, we are grateful. By the power of this practice, may all beings have freedom from suffering and the causes of suffering. May all beings know God as love and themselves as emanations of that love. May all beings know they are born blessed and here to be a blessing. Namaste.